Hello again, it's Noob, and what we have here is a little 40mm Lockwood by Assa Abloy laminated padlock, and this is one of those locks which, for reasons that I cannot really figure out, is just a really hard lock to pick. It's pretty standard in terms of its construction, although it does have a ball bearing mechanism, double locking ball bearing, so that's actually a step up from a lot of these little 40mm padlocks. It only opens one way, doesn't open both ways. I think maybe it's got something to do with the bitting. The bitting on this little lock is actually quite extreme, and it does have quite a little small keyway, so you are limited as to what sorts of picks you can get in there, or at least how you choose your pick tension tool combination. Anyway, enough moaning by myself. Let me throw this in a little vise and we'll have a go at picking it. So how are we going to attack this tricky little pick? Well, I've got some tension wrench made out of wiper blade insert, and it's one of my favourite tools that I made, thinned down at the tip, very nice, should get me top of the keyway tension like that. I'm going to start out with a Sparrow's Lunatic, and I've got a Southall Max 08 being 23,000ths of an inch if I need it on hot. Oh, I just literally just wiggling the pick back and forth, and I hit a pin. I think it's pin 4. Let's go along, see what else we can find. Nothing. Okay, back to the back. Ah, that's better. That's pin 4 again. Going back through, nothing on 3. Little click on 2. That's good. 1 now binding, I think. Go back to the back. Oh, lovely little bit of counter rotation on, well, core movement on pin 5. I'm looking for something to give me counter rotation. Definitely a spool in play. Yep, pin 1 now. Try and get that gently set. I've dropped something at the back, but imagine if I just touch it, we're back on form. And there's definitely nothing on 3, 2, no, and 1. Okay, so I think it's time to explore with a different pick. Got a nice medium hook, one of my favourites from Southall. Let's have a look. So that's pin 5, must be oversetting that, so I'm just going to let that come back down. Pin 4, 3, 2. Okay, so just checking everything is set that I can get. Check pin 5, no. Pin 4, haven't quite got that yet. Must be the pin 5 or 4, so let's try 5 this time. And we have got 5, and we are open. Very strong little core spring on that as well. Yeah, oh, we got it. Do you see how? Do you see it fling that tension tool at me? That is a powerful little thing. Let's get the key in there and just see how strong that spring is actually when it's all locked up. Hold on, let's hold that. Yeah, that is. There you go. You can see it quite snaps back, doesn't it? Very cool. Okay, so that is a surprisingly tough little lock. The first time I picked that, it took me over 10 minutes to figure out how to pick it, which was a bit of a surprise for a little laminated padlock. So yeah, I think if you get one of these with good bitting, it can be really tricky. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll see you all next time.